guys, back with another Michael Kors review, and this time this is one of my Michael Kors crossbodies, and this is the denim. It has the denim material. So here is the front, here is the side, then here's the back, and the back does have a little snap pocket right here. And then here is the bottom bag, the bottom of the bag. Such a little cute bag. Wait a minute, y'all. Okay, and so to open this bag, you just squeeze these two buttons together, and it pops open like so. And this bag can be worn as a crossbody or a shoulder bag, and I'll show you that in a minute. So here's the inside of the bag. Pretty spacious bag. So you're going to have, in the back, you're going to have a little zip right here. And then you have the opening here, and then you have like 4 card slots right there. And then you're going to have a zip pocket here. Oh, my little dust bag in there. You're going to have the zip pocket there. Keep your little change in there. And then you're going to have another pocket, well, opening here. And then there's another pocket right here. So you got a good amount of compartments. And this is called the Michael Kors Sloan Dark Denim Small Chain Shoulder. And I don't even remember where I got this bag from. I want to say Macy's. I want to say I got it from Macy's. And it's been a minute. But I have seen people reselling this bag. So if you're interested in this bag, just type in, I would suggest typing in Michael Kors denim crossbody or something like that. So, like I said, this can be worn as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. So if you want to wear it as a shoulder bag, you can just do both of the handles like this. Now if you want it as a crossbody, just get one handle and then just pull this down, and then you have a crossbody. So this is super duper cute. I don't know, y'all. I thought about getting rid of this bag, child. I might have to keep this. And then there's the shoulder bag again. Super duper cute. Yep, it's a cute little bag. So yeah, y'all, just wanted to show you guys this little bag. And this one like I said, this is the small. They did have a larger one, so there was one that was larger. So if you want something a little bit, you know, you're looking for something a little bit bigger, then they did make a larger bag for this. But this is the cutest little thing. It's soft too. Yep. So there's that. And like I said, it has this opening in the back, and I'm sure my phone will fit in there. Yep, fits perfectly. iPhone 11 fits just, it won't snap shut, but that's okay. You just have it like that. Y'all, this will be cute with your cute little sundress or something like that for the summertime, baby. That'll be cute. But anyway, not just summertime, you can wear it anytime. But yeah, that denim is popping. But yeah, y'all, just want to show you guys that another bag, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.